second morning waking up here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
A little chilly still.
Just a little chilly. Really chilly. It's cold when you have to get out and go to the bathroom. Okay. Up we go.
And we got the dog too.
Oh yeah, she's down. Oh yeah, dog. Right in between.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle. Dude, it's okay.
Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Won't be long, and we'll have some coffee and oatmeal.
Yum. Feel much better. Dog! Like, I can't move when you're behind me.
That's all.
Yep, on our way out from the Long Ridge Trailhead. Bye-bye!
Wow, that's narrow, huh? Well, they can read here.
Public library. Here we go. Ew. I think I just ran through a mosquito web. Ew. I think I did.
What?
I think I ran through a spider web. I had it
I
on
got it.
me.
Okay. I got it, baby.
Let him go first.
This way.
Oh, it's just dripping water. Ooh.
Right? Look how far in it goes.
That is really neat. It's a cave. Oh, I'm getting dripped on. The water's dripping on
I'm
me.
glad we came here.
This is so cool. We're having fun.
Right?
We are in a neat cave.
Robinson Cave.
So, yep, it's awesome.
It's a historical marker. It's a really great place to stretch your legs.
Awesome.
What do you think, Turn?
Oh, so cool. Ah, look at that. Ohio's so different. We woke up this morning. Now we're in Flatland. Oh, these are the best. Right?
Right?
Yeah. As a kid, I used to love these slides.
Yeah.
Dog being rude. She's eating her food
This one's
though.
right in that tub.
That's funny. I don't know what kind of tree I'm under, but it smells so good. Like, those smell really, really good. Oh, stop.
Just pulled off the side of the road at a rest area and come across these windmills.
Humongous things.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see them in the swamps of Florida very often.
No. Well, that thing is huge.
Right? Let's go closer. So we were traveling on the highway and we needed to stop. We stopped at a rest area.
It's a nice restaurant.
Yeah, it was, with all the windmills. And we searched, just Google searched campground. And the only one around here is this one
Church campgrounds.
in Ohio, right?
Yep.
So we come here, and not only are we the only ones here, well, there's one RV or pull-behind trailer right here, but there's no staff, no nothing, no signs, no nothing. The website doesn't tell you how much. It's just, we're here. It's a really nice spot. Well, looking, but we don't know. We'll see. Around the back. We just walked around the back of this place. Just followed this path on the back to this mowed field. We found another second area back there. We still haven't found a single person here.
Nope.
It almost looks like an abandoned place.
Yeah, you got all these little abandoned little
Everything.
places. There's got to be somebody here somewhere. Maybe they still do stuff out here at some point. Clearly the kids have not played here in a long time. The old swings. That one's all fallen over. I'm not here. I experience. I didn't say your name. I just said Nina.
I kind of did.
No, I said.
Don't. You're funny. Hey now.
You know. Should we move this over?
Thank you, God, for blessing us with this food, amen.
Alright,
You want chicken or noodles first?
no matter.
What? Why are you laughing at me?
I just find it funny that you're so uneasy here. Like, I was uneasy at the bear sanctuary. I was like
yeah, you
on
were,
nerve
right?
the whole time. But here, yeah,
Yeah.
it's calm. Believe me, no one's gonna come rushing out of the little houses here in the middle of the night trying to eat us or anything like that. It's kind of funny, huh? There you go. Better not be ready to pee. Right?
Laying down
I was gonna say.
for the smile.
Okay.
She doesn't know how lucky she is. I can't believe we found this place. We always are, for some reason. Even on the days we're trying to sleep in out here, it's just
it's because we get up and we enjoy the beauty of it, and the time all of a sudden is like 9 o'clock.
It's just like
We get up at 6:30, and then it's like 9
9.
o'clock. That's crazy.
yeah, it's nuts. And then by the time you break camp, it's 10.
By the time you're on the road, it's almost 12.
Yeah, really, because you could drive out of wherever you're in.
I swear.